come and share my world. Nothing that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me, yeah. Anything that you need, I got it right here, baby.
So yeah, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday and I'm at work. I'm currently outside Canning. I'm gonna have my lunch, guys. Now when I'm breaking out, apparently they say when you break out like esiphongweni usulala ngamqamelodo ongcolile, but ke imqamelo yami ngiyayiklina, but nginey'ngane ey'ncane ezimo. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna make it a mission to change my pillowcases at least 3 times a week, because sana I'm not happy at all. I'm also planning on changing my skincare. I will show you guys once it's feel. I'm gonna order it now, but I'll show you guys once it's feel. We're at the office today. I look cute, guys. We're gonna figure this hair for the weekend. Bengifaka this hair for the weekend, and sana I looked gorgeous. Manje no, it's still fine though. It's fine, but I just felt like putting this band thing on top and look cute. It's 12:30. I'm gonna have my food nakula ngizodlela la phakathi because kuyabanda phakathi. So while the car still cools off, and then after that ngiyangena phakathi. One of the ladies that work for Aslana opened a shop in Ash, so I'm gonna go there, maybe support, get her a thing or two, get myself a thing or two from her shop. But yeah, I'll take you guys with. I was just opening this vlog. We're gonna be kind of busy. Sasa we might be going to Joburg, and then Friday we'll be going to church. There's a church member that passed away, so we're gonna be going to Nkonzo. And Saturday I might be going to the funeral, and then Sunday it's church. So yeah, that's how my week will be looking like. But yeah, I'll take you guys with. For now, let me eat. Let me show you guys my food. This is what I'm having, guys. My yogurt looks like this because it's Greek yogurt, guys. Then I'm gonna drizzle some honey on top. I was driving, so get in your guys. This is what I'm having. We found a dragon fruit here, and you're gonna open it. Oh, by the way, I'm at my brother's house. Action. How am I? Iona. Let me taste it. I think Iona.
Table dance. We have two bears.
Mama nguyena mina ngimanga zinto ngiyidlayo. Sengithola ifruits la ngaphandle. Mnandi.
There you go.
Thank you. Hi guys, I'm back. Today is it's like Friday. Yesterday we were in Joburg. We had a few things to do there, and I'm unboxing. Have unboxing. So today got that boy a shop. I wanna try make these boneless ribs. I'll make them with savory rice, and I'll put in the oven what's this, pumpkin. Yeah, that's what I'll make today. Savory rice and for myself. So shout out to her. And guys, I wanted to plug you with these small bowls I got from how cute. Look at them inside. How cute. They were 20 rand each, and I got 3. I should have gotten 4. I don't know why I got 3, but I got 3 of these. Guys, I'm gonna put here like grapes, like frozen grapes or whatever snacking that I'm having, and check will be aesthetically pleasing. Also, ngibonela abafazi ukuthi i-rice sebeliphaka libe round, so nami I want my rice to look round. Ngifuna ukufaka i-rice lapha phakathi bese cute. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I will hopefully ngizophaka nani because I have to go to esontweni. There is isililo. Angazi nesililo ngesingisi, but yeah, there's a member of our church that passed away, so kuzoba nenkonzo namhlanje. So it's currently 3 o'clock. I need to cook and then do unboxing because at 5 we need to leave. But ngoba yonke into engiyiphekayo iyashesha, I'll be done in a few. And I also got a new tripod, guys. So I'm currently using Munch. So this is how it looks like. Sana, and it was expensive, $450. But yeah, I'm invested in my YouTube and my content creation. What. So yeah, it's okay. And then, yo guys, I have a few unboxings. I'm just so excited. We're gonna commit to things that I got, clothes. I'm trying to build myself like a winter capsule wardrobe. So I got a few things that I'll be able to wear because lento I'm off buying. What do I buy? I buy outfits. I don't buy clothes. So after submitting a little outfits layer, I don't know what is going on anymore. So I want to build a capsule wardrobe. So that is my name, Basha. And then yeah, what else? I got this. I love this pumpkin butternut on Satan, and I love because and it's only 20 rand. So I got this, and I got baby marrow. Thina slash abantu abazizinto I'm joking. But here my friend way to plugged us with baby marrow. What's this? Baby marrow curry or baby marrow, yeah. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll put it in the fridge for my healthy eating. I'll have it with chickpeas. I'll show you guys mangudla loco. And then yeah, then I got my kids chips, and yeah, I got myself this because I got my chips now. It told me and then they got discontinued. I don't know why, but I got myself these. I wanna try them out. But let me stop talking, guys. Let me cook. I'm not gonna cook with you guys because I'm late. I'm trying to cook so that secondly was unboxing because there's a very special item I wanna open. I wanna open. I bought it, but by value. So I wanna quickly unbox it with you guys, and then yeah, and some pictures, right? And maybe do an unboxing for my do a reel for my Instagram and for TikTok. Please follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is Lungi, LUNGII 2 _ TLOU, and on TikTok I am Balungile. So yeah, guys, let me quickly do that. And then I also got a package from Isabella Gracia, something like that. Guys, I have a lot of unboxings. I'll show you when I'm done cooking. For now, let me leave you. Bye. Okay guys, I'm done cooking and now I'm gonna unbox. So I'm gonna start with the skincare that I was telling you guys. This thing is Toleku Isabella. So there it is. So it looks like yeah. If seal is broken, the package is damaged, please do not accept delivery. That's what it says. Okay, so labantu guys, how I got about into getting the skincare. Yilaba ma perfume ne laba jorun fonela ukuthi sibanibani nominated you ukuthi uthole perfume. So manje this lady has been calling me ukuthi uzamambo nominated me. So now they have skincare range. So ngoba bene skincare range they were just telling me about it. Bangicela ukuthi ngifake my WhatsApp my face picture on WhatsApp, right? So what? Okay. So it's bazonantizana bazobona ukuthi what kind of skin do I have, and I also told them ukuthi what kind of skin I have. Yeah. And then kwathiwa 300 and something for skincare, and then ngababuza ngathi it's for how long, what's it for 12 months, ngababuza ngathi like every month, ngababuza because I'll be receiving it every month I think. Lezintelana ngazathi nje umbhedo ngababuza ngifuna ukuyeka then kuzoyenzakalani bathi no ngayiyeka. Okay, hello beautiful, it's lovely to meet you. Welcome to the IG family. Your beautiful Lana. It is invoice. I will enjoy this total 4,640. They have hand and body cream, which is 565. Oh guys, 3-in-1 nourishing night cream, pH balance face wash, unlimited balance day moisturizer. How's it? Ultra advanced firming gel, control complexion nights. Ngisebenza ngikrima ke manje. Black velvet eyeliner. Hayibo, these people. Blush color. Yo guys, yeah, for VIP, and they keep on saying VIP hamper nami ngingabe ngivumelene no nonsense. To ensure you have everything you could possibly need. Ensure discount. Note the above amounts include 15% VAT. If VAT is 15%, and guys, ngitshekile. Why ngitshekile? I feel like ngitshekile. Should we fail to collect payment, anyone to reserve the right to submit another collection in the same month? Hibo, non-collection may advise. Hibo, guys, your next sample will be delivered during May 2026. Hibo! Provided your current chamber is paid in full, unless Hibo Nina. Please note that your invoice total should be Hibo 4,000 lezi. Hi guys, ngicabanga ungayivula, ngifuna ukungasho. Ngicabanga ukungazivuli because 4,000 are we paying? I get no. So now it's this. I don't know what it is. It's fragrance. I've always got but you know what? It's fine because I don't think this was a tart. Oh, let's open this. Okay. Face wash. Inan. All of these are face washes. Yep, and it's the same thing. Good three. Good. I don't know if my phone here looks on. Where is Isabel? Here's Msangan. Green look. Ultra advanced firm up gel. Direction for users under the age of 28 or above. After toning in the morning, apply your gel around your eye area. Okay, I need this. Okay, got Maliacon. And then it is the control complex. After toning in the evening or morning, massage your cream into your face and neck. Day moisturizer with SPF. 3-in-1 nourishing toner, nourishing moisturizer. Okay, night cream. And then okay, so the ultimate balance out too. My day cream. And then Timeless Cosmetics. Oh, okay. Pumaganj. This looks like a concealer brush. Hey, not yeah, concealer brush from Ashia. Okay, well, yeah. And then what's this? Black velvet eyeliner. Okay, for your under eyes. Mascara. Okay, love the packaging. Yeah, focus in. Then it's lipstick. And my husband will be back home anytime from now. And I'm good. Meaning shit. I'm scared. Okay, that's cute. kodwa imali emele ngikhokhe. Liquid lipstick. Not my kind of jazz, but yeah. I think we're gonna go shimmer eyeshadow and highlighter. I think my husband is here, guys. I really think so. Okay, that's how it looks. Oh, Sangan. Where's Sangan? Okay, good. It's well pigmented. Pigmented. Not mad at this lipstick. Let's open this. Hey, boo. Kodwa le mali abathi ngizoyikhokha u-200 enyangeni ingangaka. Very bad. But let's see at 10 visits. Who's on so because my face was breaking out. It is my husband. That's long enough, guys. Again, what's this? Hand cream. 2 hand creams. Something I penis pretty much. And again, my perfume icon with the Moselle and Bella. Let's try them quickly. Fast, quick in hand. Yeah, penis. My perfume. Smells nice. Like for versatile perfume. I'm this side, honey. I'm this side. Mademoiselle is not doing the things. Guys, I have to close off this unboxing part here because we have to go. I have to change. We have to go, guys. I know I'm the late one, but the package Isabella, I'm not happy. Got the immunozenzil. The rest, guys, I'll unbox tomorrow. Hopefully I'm not going to open anything and unbox this with you guys tomorrow. For now, let me go delete stuff. Well, I'm late, but I don't want to keep my husband waiting. But yeah, I don't think ukuthi ngizotwala kind of just change my pants. Ngifake iskirt and then we're good to go. Okay guys, bye. Yummy, my tummy. Hi guys, it's the next day. Izolo ngivele ngahamba, I know. Ngivele ngahamba bengiphuthuma because I told you guys that sihamba sisililweni. So it's the next day. Siqeda kubuya from Newcastle with your Ocean Baskets to just grab some lunch. It was lunch. Yeah, lunch. I didn't vlog much, but I showed you guys what we had. Yo, like the full fish. What was it called? And I thought it's nice. So I didn't enjoy it, or it's the way they made it. Labani fish Ocean Baskets. I did not enjoy it, but maybe when I go to Joburg, I'll try it out. Oko, because that's where because I really like fish. I'm a seafood fan. As I enjoy, it was bland. Oh yeah, no, I can go on and on. But again, the platters are always nice. Yeah, so okay, let me finish the unboxing very quickly because I want to open the bag because that's the stuff of the show. But okay, quickly, let me show you guys what I got. If I get this because I took off my wig, so I was like, I ain't doing this no more. Anyway, let me show you guys. I got these things in Joburg. I got them yesterday. Yeah, so okay, let me show you guys the things I got in Joburg. Firstly, I went to H&M, and then H&M I got this lovely black top. This is how it looks like. I like the detailing over here. I took it in a size large because I'm feeling bambi bambi. But yeah, this thing has to be hand washed because I think I get a machine is a moshagala. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. And then I don't have basics, guys. I think I told you yesterday because I don't have basics, so I needed to get basics. And then I got this cute cardigan, tontoni, short sleeve, and brown. Yeah, that's how it looks. Obviously, because concept plastic, and I took it in a size large as well. I like browns. I like these tones. I like them a lot. And one that has nothing to do with my aesthetics about Pinterest to clean get what you know. I just like brown. And I got this cute dress. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear this dress for date nights. I got this cute dress for date nights. Oh, so now but this is how it looks like. It has some ruching over here. It's long sleeve. Sana, I love this dress. This is the only thing because I was just like, I can't wait to see how it looks on my body. It's short but not that short, but perfect for date nights. So I can't wait to wear this dress for date nights. And then also I got this other dress unboxed from H&M, but I didn't buy it in Joburg. What happened was I couldn't find it online, so I asked Wayne, shout out Wendy, so she went in store and then I Korea via Pep. So yeah, let's do 989, all of these three things. Yeah, I think it's just basics that I needed because I don't have basics. And then again, don't go there. When you tell like and then I fished it yesterday. Oh, bandla, why thank you, Wendy. Ufake le slip wenza vo extra kosami ngizokwenza njani vele. And there's the dress. I will insert a picture for you guys. I like this dress. As I told you guys that I like browns, so it's a brown dress. Perfect for church, perfect for like cute lunch. You can even wear it with sandals. Because but I'll put a picture for you guys but I loved this dress. And then I think I'm gonna wear boots in winter and layer it up. Guys, I really like fashion, but I just need to lose weight and feel like comfortable with fashion. But I am a fashion freak. I love fashion. So yeah, eating H&M. And then I got this skirt. I love this silk skirts, guys. I have one in black, I have one in cream white, and then I recently bought this one in gray. I bought it Pick and Pay clothing. It was 180. I got it in a large because I'm feeling that loose effect. But thinking but I got the skirts, guys, because like gray is in the season. Gray is in the season, so I got this. And then one of this other lady on TikTok pairing it up with a blue knitted blue knitted cardigan. So ngabona this cardigan from guys. This cardigan from Mr. Price, gorgeous. Like the thingy, the quality is very great. I like the detailing, gold buttons. I love them so much. I took it in a size small because they are cut in cool. I also can't believe any, but I think 300 rand if I'm not mistaken. And I got that. I'm gonna pair it up with a lot of things, but kakhulu kazi that skirts, the grey skirts, ebengithole and grey heels. Wait, not grey heels, blue heels. When I wear that outfit, it's gonna eat and ngizonishuthe. I always, guys, most of the time, mase ngigqokile izinto ngiyashuta and I forget to take videos for you guys. But any days that I didn't have a tripod, so he said I got a tripod, so hopefully, and I got a longer one and a more stable one, so hopefully ngizobe sengikhona ukukhombisa my outfit of the day. I got this from Mr. Price, ne? And then another thing I got from Mr. Price is these socks. It came in a pack of 4 Makipila man. Yeah, 4. Because there's the white one, there's a grey one, light grey, dark grey, black, and I'm currently wearing light grey. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have 5 pack of 5. And then I got pajamas. Sana, if you know me, you know, but I'm a sucker for pajamas. I love myself a good set of pajamas. And lately my pajamas are hambangama 1-1. So nje bored. Uma ngithola iskipa ngilithola iblue, uma ngalithola iblue ngithola iskipa nje. It's kanjalo. I recently got the same ones. Not the same, yeah, it's the same from Woolies, a black kodak. Then I saw this color and I'm just like, oh Sana, you're not gonna catch me wearing a onesie. I saw influencers ubuli love her so much, bully makubo on Instagram saying ukuthi yena akafuna ukugodola uzogqoka iwanzi. Mina angigqoki iwanzi. I do not subscribe to iwanzi, and makuthanga godola ngizogodola. It is what it is, but a onesie, you're not gonna find me in a onesie. 1, I'm short. 2, sengifake iwanzi, I'm gonna look like one of my daughters, so that's not happening, okay? But besides, I just don't like onesies. Yes, they're warm, but I'd rather get warm PJs than get a onesie. Nope. Count me out, get darlings. Nginganibhekela kodwa ama-ones banafuna because ngiyazi akhona abantu abadala kodwa mina. So yeah, I got these pajamas. I got them in size medium. They were $2.60. And then yeah, I think that's all I got from Mr. Price. And then yeah, I think that's all I got from Mr. Price. I think all my clothing items, that's all there is. And then boo, guys, I've been wanting this bag. Gosh, I wanted to get myself this bag for my birthday. Ningi's to get myself for my birthday, but what happened? I don't know. Oh no, for my birthday I ended up buying hairs ngafikanga lezi bengigqoke nini. I think I think it's intro vlog I ended up having to buy that hair. Like I had a lot to do. I had amakhasakashin out too. I had a lot of things to do, so I was like, because it's my birthday, Sana, let me just get my life in order and stuff. And then also to get my husband the anniversary gift. If go back to the other vlog, the Disney vlog. So I had a lot to do, so I was like, it's fine, I will buy them at the time. But futhi nakhona ngangizoyithenga if we were going to Joburg, because I thought we will spend my birthday in Joburg or in Durban or somewhere around those areas. La kunale ndawo lengithenga khona lesikhwama. So drum roll. I got myself a Coach, baby. Boom, 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 boom. I got myself a Coach bag, guys. In fact, there's my friend who sells clothes, but she doesn't sell. Which home is I know I didn't. But if you buy these things, guys, all right, man. Here's $6.99. But yeah, there's my slip. Am I gonna tell you how much it was? I'm often asking it down below. So yeah, name, balloon, time, date. Okay, I'll just show you guys this. Time, date. Focus, darling. Focus. Yeah. Time, date. Oh yeah, Vel. Price, yeah, Vel. Vel. When you say I bought the tabby 20. So initially I wanted the tabby 26, but yeah, mangifika lapha ningibona inkulu. So this is how it looks like. Nalo phakathi, and then moment of truth. I am so happy, guys. It's my little baby. Oh, name is a little ganga baby. Kaka iliboni. Okay. What that is? Come outside, my boss works and that's just dirty. This is my bag. Oh, Sana. I am the happiest girl. I am the happiest girl. Oh, guys, I saw something into this. And then obviously, babala is it slow? That's me. Okay, guys. This is my little baby, guys. How cute is she? Welcome her to the family. Guys, this is saying good see welcome to the world of luxury. To many more. In fact, because to many more. This is the beginning. My entry baby. Oh, Sana, love her so much. So cute. The leather, my doll. Okay, I'm gonna pick up her, guys. Oh my gosh, love her. I'm gonna let bandela corner. Oh, guys, my little hearts. Why do I need to make little hearts? I'm gonna give a little hearts and tell them that's in my bones. Guys, love her down. So yes, this is the queen of the moment. Okay, guys, let me love and leave you. This has been long, but obsessed. No. I like how tiny it is. That Tabby 26 was big, and Sana, no, but this my meaning. I love her so much. Yeah, guys, anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna close off this vlog, but I have a mirror. I bought a mirror for the bathrooms because we're renovating. Yeah, there is a vlog of me going to look for things to renovate my shower. So yeah, I'm almost done. I just have to put the mirror. I'll ask my husband to and then yeah, but if you're from Newcastle or surrounding areas, we are hosting a praise and paint event at church. It's gonna be on the 14th of June, if I'm not mistaken. It's 140. I don't know if they'll be providing us with snacks, whatever. I'm not sure, but yeah, please do come to praise and paint, guys. I really love these sip and paints kind of thing. Obviously, if you're sleeping on Bev, and obviously there won't be Bev, but this whole concept of painting, I think it's just so cute, so girly, so aesthetically pleasing. So Sana, come and join us. And who said if you're a kingdom child or if you're a child of God, you can't do it just in Nandi? So come and join us. It's not only for our church members. Anyone wants to come, there's limited space, guys. So if you want to come, I'll place the poster here. There's one which number to contact, and I'll be there. So yeah, let's do it, guys. And enjoy ourselves, man. I know what if you live in Newcastle and surrounding areas, there's not much to do. So okay, but just thank God, bazivumelile ukuthi bazivulelile ukuthi senze into kanjena. And also it's for youth, guys. Apparently youth umuntu ongaphansi kwa-35. So uma uthi ushadile awushadanga, if ungakabi no-35, my doll, I will see you there. Nama to know that I'm like youth eshadile. I'm joking, don't come for me. But yeah, we'll be there. Please join us. Also, I don't know if Left Vlogs siphumile nge-7 June. Nge-7 June kunentaba. If useNyukhasela and you wanna go pray and just be in the presence of the Lord. Kunentaba nge-7 June. I'll also put the poster here. Khona kwenziwa lutho ka-register abantwana uyafika nje uzoyikhonzela inkosi uhambe. It takes an hour max. Khonze kufundwe izwi, pray. Mostly it's prayer, like pray, worship here and there, the word of God, and then we leave. So yeah, I hope you guys do come. And yeah, for now let me love and leave you. I'm not saying I'm closing this vlog, I don't think I am, but I'll see you guys tomorrow because it's Sunday. Yeah, but for now, bye guys.